let's talk about that a little bit.
All right. Well, for Mother's Day, and of course, it is an initiative from our CEO, Tofila Fiti, Langwai, and of course, Mua, and the management that mothers, they deserve more. No?
Of course.
Imagine
of
a
course.
world without moms.
Hey.
Cash.
Wow. It would be a dark, dark world.
Well,
Mothers are the light
Yeah.
to the world.
Well, still something special this Mother's Day. We have our draw happening. So when you spend 50 tala or more at any of our branches over here at SSAB Mega Store Tuamapufua, at City Store Lote Mau, Big Store over there in Savai, Superstore Vaitele, you get a chance to go into the draw. And you can win a 300 tala voucher from our friends at Mercy Shop, a 300 tala voucher from our friends at Lower Lay. We have a 300 tala voucher from our friends at Connections Cafe. Faimafili Resort has offered a 300 tala voucher.
Oh.
Two 200 tala vouchers from our friends at Step Bargains. Two 200 tala vouchers from our friends at Say Oriana. A 300 tala voucher from SAP. And of course, a queen-size bed from our friends at Sleepwell International.
Queen-sized bed.
Well, ideally, Say Oriana is the number one place to go to if you're looking for a perfect gift for mom or for your wife.
Yoy.
For this Mother's Day. So speaking of Say Oriana, we have massive sale on our dresses. No, we have the range, Senga range. We have the Pia range. Of course, we have the Samson Lee. 20% off all designer bags at Say Oriana. Even with our flats detail in the shoemaker, we have specials on those. We have specials on the Ato Laufala. So this is like a new range we have introduced over there at Say Oriana. So Ato Laufala, well, it comes in different sizes, different colors, and different styles. So whatever whatever type of character that mom is, you can figure that out with a perfect, to match her I'll say her character. And then on top of that, we have Says. We have a massive range of Says to choose from over there at Say Oriana. And some of our packages that we have over there at Say Oriana, we have this package, I'll just read it out. We have a Say that comes with a wallet, a pair of earrings, and a hair clip for only 29 tala.
Oh, 29.
So on this the package, we have ladies' X body bag, a 3D light, 2 Says, and a renewed body care kit. And it's only 55 tala. Well, looking at some other packages that we have, I'm telling you, numerous packages that we have from our friends over there at Say Oriana. But this one stands out the most. Well, this is in my own opinion. We have this one. It's a Laufala bag. It comes with a large Say, a lace scarf, an executive book, and a pin set. Well,
that is a really good package, yeah.
And also with from our friends over there at Say Oriana, we have specials on our gold jewelries, earrings, rings, you name it, we have it. Also, 50% of some of our designer bags, like wallets, purses for moms, and of course, one of the best thing that's happening over there at Say Oriana is our perfumes and colognes. Everything is 20% off.
You know what I like? That Say Oriana's bringing back the Ato Laufala.
Yeah.
Hardly see it nowadays.
Yeah, it's one of those things that sometimes when we get to think about it, well, it's been a long time. No, Ako Laufala, the Fuspa Opovi, you know?
Oh, yeah.
Because I still have some memories from the Fuspa Opovi.
Yeah, talking about time flies. Just a few minutes ago, it really does. Anyways, back to you, Iko. We have more to talk about, especially on Mother's Day that's just around the corner.
Yes.
Specials that we have.
Well, Mother's Day, of course, this special, our promotion started from Tuesday, the 22nd of April, and it will continue on until the 18th, or I'll say 17th of May this year. So there's a lot to choose from. If you have time, of course, if you haven't followed us on Facebook, please do so. Just search SSAB Apia Samoa at facebook.com so you can stay up to date and keep in the know and stay in the know of what's happening with your number one store. Of course, for Mother's Day, we have massive sale on kitchen appliances. So speaking of that, we have the Gebi, well, one of the most trusted brand from one of the reviews from overseas. So we have Gebi, the toaster, and of course we have the Gebi plastic kettle, all on specials. So if you're not a fan of single items, we also have some packages, no? Two items, two products, well, in a package for a price of one. Like for instance, this package over here, we have the Coolix chest freezer. It's 110 liter, and it comes with a Coolix stainless steel 202 liter fridge. So you can get that for the price of one. Of course, we also have the Coolix stainless steel 202 fridge, and it comes with the twin tub washing machine, the 7.8 kg, and that is on for a low price of 1,699 tala. There is more. I'm saying I cannot. Well, we can talk about it Umar came to the show, but for your info and well, you can go when you have time. You can visit us on our Facebook page, and of course, you can see the massive range of products and of course specials that we have in store. Not only for Mother's Day, but for the Malua, because I mentioned that we have the Malua package happening, and for Malua we have, well, of course, items, packages as well, like the foam mattress. Well, not only for Malua, but no, every now and then we get to host. Like, we have, I won't say uninvited guests, but but you have something to cater for them. No, we have this this package. We have the two swipe pillows. It comes with the uncovered double foam mattress, and it's going for 155 tala. The normal price was at 215. And we also have the single, which comes with two pillows from Sleepwell International, and it comes with a single foam mattress for the price of 125 tala. The normal price was at 185 tala. Not only that, we also have some furniture. No, we have the well-known, the popular Lope Lounge, and it comes with the Coolix industrial stand fan for the price of 1,750. But the normal price was going for 2,300. So I'm telling you, massive sale and discount on those packages. And well, speaking of our Malua sale, we also have well, home furnishing products. We have dishes, we have bowls, we have, well, take for instance, we have this two ceramic bowl. It comes with two white ceramic dinner plates, and it's going for 23 tala. And we also have, you know, the tea set, like white ceramic teapot, a ceramic coffee cup. It comes with a saucer, a ceramic milk jar. It comes with a ceramic sugar pot, and it's only 35 tala.
You have everything. Well prepared. No stress. No worry.
Not only for the people attending Malua, but this goes to our hotels as well. Hotel, or the people like dealing with
you know, I was just about
tourism
to say
and hospitality. You're giving me that cash. What is happening?
You know, I was just about
Something
to say
to look
that.
into.
You know,
Our Malua specials. And of course, we have also happening is our friends over there at Sabagans. We also have packages for Mother's Day tonight.
Oh yeah.
So speaking of these packages, we have the Baker Mom. No, as we've been talking about it like throughout this whole morning. Different moms, a stay-home mom, a workaholic mom, a mom that that loves church, a mom that loves working out. So we have different packages to suit and fit different types of mom. So we have the Baker Mom package. Well, looking at the packages, of course, you can see all these specials when you visit our Facebook page. But this is SSAB Bargains, so it's SSAB Bargains PSI More at Facebook.com. So if you visit their Facebook page, you can see that we have a Baker Mom package, we have a Sweet Like Mom package, we have a Fresh Gain and Fabulous package for mom. Well, if you're the one that deals with the laundry, we have a Tina's Tornai package. So speaking of these package, we have a box of chicken, a more. We have a 5-liter ice cream, a kanga like it comes with a pack of Pepsi, of course, and some snacks on the side. Well, for only 290 tala. On top of that Tonai package, cash, we also have the Pure Mom Dog package, And for the new mom, we have the wonderful mom and new baby package. So we have those items, baby items, and snacks, of course, products for mom for the price of 165 tala.
That's from SSAB Bargains. And also new arrivals at SSAB Bargains. Dove and long-lasting freshness Rexona for moms, especially for moms. You know, these 2 weeks that we're gonna the journey for the next 2 weeks is just all about mom. All about mothers.
Well, Cash, finally I can sense and I think I know why you're feeling that way,
Yeah.
What are you
What are you feeling? Anyways, yes, SSAB Bargains here in Sinamonga.
Yes. Of course, our SSAB Bargains location is at Sinamonga. You won't miss it. It's a creamy brown building over there, Sinamonga, just after the four-corner intersection from Vaimosota, on your way to Don Bosco. Of course, if you're on your way to USP, you can never miss it on your right next to Go Advertising. And our newly opened SSAB Bargains over there in the big island of Savai. So, what's good for Polo?
Oh, yeah.
It's the best for Savai.
There we have it, ladies and gentlemen. Some more on our ongoing specials, especially for moms. For Mother's Day, that's just around the corner. Not only at SSAB, say Oriana, SSAB Bargains. There's a lot. But we do have giveaways.
Yes, we do have giveaways. Well, I think after our next music break, we will give out the questions.